you also running an astrology business and do you also use Facebook to get more leads for your own business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to sheets to grow your astrology business. So like you, I also use Facebook to get more leads for my own business, and now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Facebook, I want to add the lead details automatically into my Google Sheets. So to do this, we're going to create a connection between Facebook and Google Sheets, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create this automation. But before we start, I'll just show you the proper working of this amazing automation. So as you can see that I have only a single entry in my Google Sheets, and let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook and they're interested and they fill in this lead gen form to get the free astrology reading. Alright, so I'm going to enter all of my details. So here's my zodiac sign, my full name, email address, phone number and the date of birth. And after entering all of these details, let's click on this continue and then submit. And once they submit this form, I'm going to open my Google Sheets and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the details have been added right over here. Yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also wish to create this amazing automation, stay in this video till the end. So to do this, I'm going to open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So I'm an existing user inside Pabbly Connect, so I've directly logged in into my account and opened the workflow builder. But if you're a new user, you are going to get the link which is the landing page URL of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. Open that landing page URL. You're going to get the option of sign up for free in the top right corner. Go on that option. You're going to get 100 free tasks every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Alright, sign up and then log in inside Pabbly Connect. And after logging in, you have to open your workflow builder and a window something like this will appear in front of you. And once you come on this window, this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads and select it. For the event, we have to select new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, you can go towards this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. So if you have already logged in your Facebook account, a window something like this will appear in front of you and you have to click on this continue. But if you haven't logged in your Facebook prior starting with this automation, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account. And once you log in, you have to click on this button which says continue, and once you click on this continue, your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? After creating this connection, you have to select the page. So as you can see, the name of my page is Planet Paths. So let's select the same which is Planet Paths. I'm just going to look for it and select it. For the lead gen form, I'm going to select the form for which I want to create this automation. If you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can also select the option of this all lead gen forms. I'm going to select a particular form for which I want to create this automation. Turn on this simple response button because I want response in simpler format, and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, I'm going to open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers and open the landing page of Meta for Developers. After opening the landing page of Meta for Developers, we're going to go towards this resources and then developer tools. And then we have to scroll and select lead ads RTO debug tool, and then we have to open our lead ads testing tool. And as you can see, we have successfully opened our lead ads testing tool. And after opening this tool, we have to select the page and the form which we selected in our workflow. For the product, you have to select lead retrieval and click on this preview form. And now I'm going to select the guidance as health. For the zodiac sign, I'm going to enter the zodiac sign. For the full name, I'm going to keep it it as new lead. Then for the email address, I'm going to keep it as lead@pabblytunes.com. Now let's move on further. For the phone number, I'm going to enter the phone number and then I'm going to enter the date of birth and click on this continue and then submit. And once we click on this submit, with this we have successfully submitted this lead gen form. So now let's open our workflow, and over here Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same test submission. We just have to wait for few seconds. And yes, you can see that 9 seconds ago Pabbly captured this response. You're going to see all the details which we entered. Now I'm going to add these details into my Google Sheets. Further, I'm just going to close this trigger and click on this add new action step. For my action application, I'm going to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, once again we have two options. So if you have already created this connection, go to its the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. You have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection, and Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us. Now we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which we want to add the lead details, and then one by one we're going to add the lead details like this name. So we're going to enter this name, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map all of these details, and after mapping all of these details we have to click on this save and send test request, and we have received a positive response. Alright, so let's open our Google Sheets and we're going to see the details of the lead has been added over here. So with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, within seconds and in real time the lead details will be added in the Google Sheets. So all of this is going to happen in backend like I showed you in the starting of this video. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own astrology business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow link in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.